Hello friends, today I will show you how to make this peacock wall hanging. Materials required are circular cardboard, then blue and purple color paper, woolen thread, nail paint or red color needle, then pencil, so we call peacock feathers, 7 to 8 peacock feathers, cello tape, earbuds, 2 to 3 earbuds, then ball chains and other decorative materials. Quilling strips for making flowers of 5 mm and very thin cardboard pieces. So let's get started. First of all, you are going to take woolen thread and wound it around the circular cardboard. It will take a lot of time. Stick it at the end. Then on light blue color paper I am drawing a peacock. Cut it. Now I am pressing the wing part of peacock on the purple color paper. You can also do this using pressing paper. Cut it. Then stick it on the peacock. Now let's make the beak using red color strip. You can also use red color chart paper, or you can also color it red color. I am cutting the extra part. And it is ready. Now just stick it on the thin cardboard and cut the extra part. Now I will stick these peacock feathers at the back side using cello tape. Here I have sticked 7 to 8 peacock feathers. You can stick according to your convenience. Now I am decorating the peacock by giving border of ball chains of different colors. Now stick a small stone for making eye and using silver ball chain border it. Using earbuds I am making the upper part of eye in this way. Coloring using red nail paint, or you can also use red color, postal color. Now for making flowers I have cutted one strip into 2 parts and then just made loose coils, 3 loose coils. I am giving its shape. In this way, stick all these and then wrap the half strip over it. Similarly, make 5 petals and stick them. Next flower, cutting one strip into 4 equal parts. Then make loose coils. Now using one whole strip, I am going to make a big loose coil. I am giving a teardrop shape. In this way. Make such 6 shapes and then stick them. Now next flower I am cutting one strip into 2 equal parts, making a loose coil. Again I am forming a teardrop shape in this way. Make such 6 shapes and stick them. For next flower again I am cutting one strip into 2 equal parts, then making loose coils. I am forming a heart shape in this way. Make such 5 shapes and stick them. Now let's start for the leaves. I am cutting light green strip into 4 equal parts and also dark green strip into 4 equal parts, then making loose coils of light green strips. Stick them. Now attach the dark green strip around the light green loose coil. Stick it. Now I am giving a leaf shape to the loose coils. Now taking one light green strip, dark green strip, I am making the leaf, complete leaf. In this way the leaf is ready. Make such 6 to 7 leaves in this way. Now all the flowers and leaves are ready. Now we'll attach all these things. First of all, I am sticking the peacock. Stick it properly. You can also use sellotape. I have made 5 flowers. You can make according to your convenience. Stick them. Also stick sellotape at the back side so that it's stick properly. Now let's decorate the wall hanging. And the beautiful wall hanging is ready. See how it's looking. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.